where can I see the HICAES storage technology installed? HICAES plant installations in Europe serve the electricity demand of residential and semi-industrial scale. The proprietary protected HICAES technology is fulfilling applicable European standards, is fully certified and approved by authorized bodies. These implementations showcase and prove the suitability of this technology as customer-sited and distributed energy resource, also within densely populated inner city areas. With sufficient renewable electricity available and provided to HICAES, it is to achieve a maximized electricity autarky. Based on a factual renewable electricity feed-in tariff of just a very few cents per kilowatt only, but on electricity purchasing prices of 30 to 40 cents per kilowatt, the payment received for the renewable electricity feed-in compared to the purchasing price from the grid is in fact neglectable. On top of that, the purchasing tariff increases historically in average by more than 2.5% per year. In stark contrast to the ever-increasing electricity purchasing cost, the cost of electricity from the renewable energy electricity storage system, once installed, can be considered to be frozen. This contributes to reduce the total electricity cost. In the same ratio, the renewable energy can be utilized. Other examples where HICAES is beneficial? Please check it out in the following message.